We are now going to look at how to insert activities using the Gallery tab. The Gallery tab is located here on the left. It's that picture of a picture, and once you click it, you can then type at the top and insert a certain subject. Let's type electricity. There we go, and click enter for answers. It's divided into a few categories. Probably what you're going to use the most is the pictures and the interactive and multimedia. I'm going to click that. I've got a selection of a few activities here, and I want to use the parallel circuits. I'm simply going to drag it into my page. If it's too big, in the corner you will find a little point where you can make it smaller, and when you get the 4-direction arrow normally at the top of the page, you can then move it around. So let's position it in our space. Got a little bit of instructions, and in this simple activity you're asked to put some light bulbs on the pre-created circuit, a switch and a battery. When you click the switch, we can see the light turning on. So that's one thing, and like I said, you can use multiple things. If I'm now going to look in the pictures, then we've got different things, parts of a circuit and some light bulbs and so on and so forth. So for example, you can put together a few of the symbols and ask the kids to put them together on a circuit. Since the next thing we're going to do is find a video about Thomas Edison, and there's a picture of him, so I'm going to bring that picture in. I can click it and insert, but I can just click and drag and place it here. This is an image, and now I want to insert a picture from video from the internet. So I looked in advance for a video that I like about Thomas Edison, and I'm going to right click on it and then click copy video URL, go back to my presentation, right click and paste. Here's our link, put it here. There we go. So when I'm in class and I go to the view screen and the full screen mode, that's how you're going to normally use it in class. Then I've got my activity here, and I've got Thomas Edison's photo, and I got my link, and I can click it. It will open a new browser and the video will play.